Yeah. And I have a Mr. Johnson. But I want to show me no teeth here, sir. So I'm going to talk like this. But yeah, what's wrong with you? I know you're not stupid, no, you're a smart man. Yeah? And more than anything else, you got your children's interests at heart. I know you do, Mr. Boris Johnson. Yeah? Cause, and it's not just your children, it's your name, your dad's name, and everything like that. Listen what I'm saying, yeah? Listen. Trust me, not even Churchill could rival your legacy. Oh, you just got to see my teeth. But never mind. Not even Churchill could rival your legacy. If you should say, let's do what's right for the Windrush people. Let's do what's right for the black liberation cause. You understand me? We're not asking for reparations in cash per se. Not me, at least. I wouldn't mind you give my generations university, free education up to university level from this point on for 500 years, as my reparation. You understand me? Right up to university level, and also educate both black and white race about black greatness before slavery. You understand me? Because we all know that this history at slavery, even these movies, that the Django's and the 42 years of slavery, how much years of slave. That's just to remind and reinforce a certain stereotype, and you understand me, and an agenda. We know that's meant nothing other than that. You get me? But through education about black people's contribution to humanity, that we invented and originated all sciences. You understand me? You only commercialized it. You get me? But yeah, what I'm saying, this revelation under your backing, under your tutorage, your government, could be the making of history's greatest legacy. You understand me? Your kids could live off this for years, decades to come. Your dad, trust me, this could, whatever, it doesn't matter. This act could replace or, any thing whatsoever that you might have or might not have done. Trust me. You understand me? Your kids, your grandkids, and all of them that will for generation will be benefiting from this legacy. Mr. Boris Johnson, you are not stupid. Come on, think about yourself. Whatever any boys know about you, yeah. Whatever secret anybody's got on you, yeah. This legacy erase those. Come on. Mr. Johnson, I know, yeah, anyway, have a think about it. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Pay the Windrush people what they deserve, and at least start the process of black reparation. Stop acting like nothing can't be done. It's only 2017 the other day we black people stopped paying back slave masters for loss of property. We bought our freedom only in recent times, man. You understand? Don't think for a minute this reparation argument is going away, Be on the right side of history. You understand? Use that greed, that drive, and, create that legacy. Think about it, man. Remove the box. You're not thinking inside or outside of the box. Remove the box and think about Boris and the Johnsons. Respect.